Today, I am giving you a tour of 16602 North 25th Street, Apartment 109 in Phoenix, Arizona. Welcome to this comfortable and conveniently located 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom first-floor condo. Inside, you'll find durable tile and vinyl plank flooring throughout, creating a clean and easy-to-maintain living space. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a refrigerator, range and oven, and a dishwasher, making everyday living simple and functional. Ceiling fans and blinds are installed throughout the unit to enhance comfort and energy efficiency. Community laundry facilities are also available for added convenience. Residents enjoy access to a community swimming pool, providing a great place to relax and unwind. This location offers quick access to Loop 101 and SR 51, making commuting easy while keeping shopping, dining, and entertainment close by. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. With a practical layout, included appliances, and a great location, this condo is a fantastic opportunity. Schedule your showing today to see it in person.